What is up, guys? North Digital Assets coming at you with one more video tonight. I just put out 3 videos in a row. This is my 4th video. I'm putting these videos together and kicking them out pretty quick to you guys here tonight. Thank you to all the subscribers so far who have subscribed. All the viewers who haven't subscribed yet, please click down here in the bottom right hand corner, click my logo and click subscribe, or click subscribe below. If you are serious about crypto, it is honestly, to be honest, like, yes, it helps my channel if you subscribe, but if you're serious about crypto and you're still kind of learning some things and there's a lot of stuff you don't know, I mean, I'm always learning too, but it would definitely be in your best interest to subscribe to a number of channels, including this one, in my opinion. We're big on ADA, XRP, HBAR, VeChain, CKB, and just the market in general, and when that drop is coming, when those major corrections are coming. So we're going to get into an important message in this video of what is going on right now, and it's also a learning opportunity. You can look at it as both. So let's dive into this, guys. The DXY, this is important, and we are seeing something develop right here, right now. So this is on the daily. This is what we've been watching. The DXY, it peaked out here at around October 12th. We've had some wicks otherwise, but talking candle bodies here. Right now, it is still playing out as a perfect for us, not perfect for the dollar currency index, but perfect for us, for the DXY, because when the DXY goes down, Bitcoin shoots up. And when Bitcoin shoots up, the other cryptos all shoot up. The DXY possibly will end up rolling. The crypto market will make its major run, and then the bull run will be over, and the DXY can bounce off the bottom support and start to make its movement back up. That's one possibility. I don't know. But currently right now, this is what we're going to be looking out for. This exact pattern is what we're going to be looking out for on all of our cryptos, separately, individually, and the total market chart as a whole at the end of the bull run. This is what you do not want for your crypto. The reason why you want it for the DXY here is because when the DXY goes down, Bitcoin goes up, like I just said. So we want this dead cat bounce for the DXY here on this chart. So right now, obviously you're putting in lower highs. There's your highs, here's your lower highs, and here's your warning sign that you had to come all the way down to the 55 for support. So small warning, but when you come back up and you cannot figure out a way to make higher highs, that is an issue. And we are currently right here price-wise. When you get this warning, you come up and you make a lower high, and then you come back down into between these EMAs, that's a decent sized warning. And when you go below that 55 here and you start to roll, for crypto and at the end of a bull run, that is a major warning. Get out. You probably wanted to de-risk right here in the first place, and that's the lower ear. You got this high ear, you got a high ear here, and then this is the lower ear on that cat, and that's that dead cat bounce, and you're going to roll. But what we are seeing here, and this is pretty crazy, that's just kind of developing now, is, let's remove all drawings. Let's go to the 4 hourly here. So on the 4 hourly here, we have possibly imminent, I don't know how it's going to play out, but this 20 EMA, and again, I'm using all my crypto indicators. This is what I'm usually using for crypto. I'm using it on the DXY. I'm not an expert on the DXY by any stretch of the imagination, but the DXY here, as you can see, the angle of this 20 EMA is pretty sharp and a downwards point. It looks to be almost imminent that it's going to cross over the 55 and you're going to get that bearish cross. The last time you got that bearish cross was on October 14th here on the 4 hourly anyways. October 14th, and look what happened with that. Once you got that bearish cross, you rolled, and then when you tried to come up out of it, the 20 EMA hit its head and got rejected, and you had it, when you got that rejection, the green line not coming back over the red, the 20 and the 55, major rejection. Look at the size of that drop there. And that was the 20 rolling, so it didn't come back over. You didn't get a bearish cross back, or you didn't get a bullish cross back on the 4 hourly until October 29th to get a little bit of momentum to the upside. But anyways, it looks to be rather imminent. If you get this here, which is just like this one, just like this bearish cross, if you combine a bearish cross in the 4 hourly and it continues to roll because of that, combine that with what we're seeing what we're seeing on the daily that I just showed you, and the 4-hourly kind of showing that it might roll. And if we do roll from here and we start to roll between the EMAs and then to the 55 and a little below it, that is textbook dead cat bounce, in which the DXY, what the DXY could end up doing, and that would be major news for cryptocurrency. There's the trend line. If you roll, you can end up hitting your head, and just starting to just roll. You lost your momentum, and you're heading down on a correction after heading up for months and months and months. You've been heading up, and you would be heading down, and that's when Bitcoin would explode even more than it already is. That's why this is important. It's a learning lesson about the dead cat bounce, of what we're going to be looking out for, what we do not want for our cryptos at the end of the market cycle. And also, guys, so the Bitcoin, what we expect to happen is Bitcoin is going to, when Bitcoin explodes, if and when it does, which it should, when it explodes later, when people take hundreds of millions of dollars out of Bitcoin and put it into altcoins, what's going to happen is, if we go to CoinMarketCap here right now, Bitcoin dominance 43.6%, Ethereum dominance 19.3%. What will happen when Bitcoin shoots up to the sky? This percentage might go to 45% or towards 50%, okay? But when people take profits and Bitcoin's run is over and altcoin season is happening, what's going to happen is this Bitcoin dominance is going to start to fall. And when this Bitcoin dominance starts to fall towards 30%, or it hits 30% for Bitcoin dominance, I mean, that is when alt season is happening, when Bitcoin goes down towards 30%. And that is when these altcoins are going to start running. And that's where some of these crazy price predictions for VeChain and CKB and Ethereum and all these different coins, where some of these price predictions come from, because Bitcoin dominance will fall. And if it mimics previous bull runs, Bitcoin dominance will fall towards 30%. And that's when we get all these crazy runs there. So let's take a look at one more thing here. Let's take a look at the total market cap here, 2.88 trillion. I had a little fractal here, I guess, that I was messing around with. Let us remove all drawings and just do this fresh. Total market cap, all cryptos combined into one chart. And where are we heading, at least in this bull run? Well, where we are heading, at least in this bull run, if we're at 2.88 trillion right now, we are heading to the 1618. And you could call it conservative, call it what you want, but that is a massive movement up in the total market cap of the entire crypto space. From 2.88, I mean, we were already down here. I mean, we were at, you know, just this summer at 1.2 trillion this summer. So think about that. We bottom out in July around 1.1, 1.2 trillion, and we're already back up to 2.88 trillion right now. And the fib, the 1618, which is going to be conservative, in my opinion, we're actually going to go to the 2272 in this bull run. If it's a decent bull run, 2272, 7.28 trillion. Conservative, 1618, 4.26 trillion. And where would that take us? Let's pull out, let's measure this from the point we're at now to the 1618 for the entire market. That's 47%. And if we want to look at what it is to that top where I think we're actually going, where we're at now to the 2272, spread out across the market, I think that this is actually pretty realistic. This isn't hopium. This is somewhat realistic. We'll see what happens. 152% for the entire market. I don't think that's hopium at all. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go with this as a call here, that we are going to go to this 2272, 7.28 trillion. That, maybe more. I believe we are going to that in this bull run. 7.28 trillion. As long as nothing sudden and urgent happens all of a sudden, a major war or COVID goes crazy, or Bitcoin just stops dead in its tracks, which I don't expect to happen, or there's just some crazy news coming out about the U.S. government. I don't know. At any rate, I think we're going to get this bull run, and I think we're going to head to the 2272. So This is probabilities, not certainty, but probabilities to that 2272. So that is good news for all your coins, no matter what coins you're holding. You know, different coins are going to gain more than other coins, but that's part of the positives from having a diversified portfolio. You want to diversify, not financial advice, but that is what I do, a diversified portfolio. I have about 25 to 30 different cryptos at this point in time. So anyways, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Just showing you what's going through my head, showing you what's going on. Please smash the like button below. Please subscribe. You can share my videos on Reddit or Twitter if you'd like, or really wherever you want. TikTok, wherever, I don't know. The links to the channel. Right now, I am just on YouTube and Twitter, but I will look to expand later in the future. So anyways, that's going to be it for this video, guys, and we will see you tomorrow in the next one. I'm going to be looking to cover XRP. XRP is king, and I believe it will remain king. So anyways, that is going to be it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.